Manipur Police Department gi chamago control hum suba rising day gi thoram ngasi first MR Manipur Rifles Battalion gi parade ground da Power Minister TH Biswajit na chief guest oiduna pangthokhre thoram madu da Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Panchayati Raj Minister Yumnam Kem Chandamati atai Minister kaya yang Police Department gi DGP ADGP SP amadi makuk thongba officer sing Central Forces gi Senior Officer kaya amadi Security Advisor su saruk yaduna pangthokki airiba thoram madu da chahi asigi Best Police Station Best Police Officer amadi Best Battalion mana sing su yenthoki mana yenthokpadu da Best Battalion Award ki ahan mana Manipur Rifles Battalion na taki Best Police Station na Lampet Police Station na taki amadi Best Police Officer Award na Bisnupur District ki Women Police ki Sub Inspector N Sanju Bala amadi Ukhrul District Women Police Station ki Basum Rina na taki thoram madu ga mari lena TH Biswajit na phongdokibada state asida thokliba thodok wathok singamadi war on drug ki khongjangda lokhalakliba lenga ki khongthang kaya da police personnel kaya na mafam kuding da choba thodang loduna lakli amadi thaganingai oiba social benefit kaya phangba thabak thorum kaya su tori haiki mangna makhata na hai Chief Minister N Biren na luching balenga asigi makhada police department na tongan ba technique amadi technology season aduna lamdam asida thokliba irang asi laksin na bakhot na bada achauba thodang lori haina phongdokki
being organized. The blood donation camp will be inaugurated by first MR Banquet Hall.
And to protect the people. So whatever has happened, something during the maintaining of the all kind of the activities. So people I need to understand, and we need to understand. That's it. I don't need to say anymore. I told you I don't have any idea. That's it. In short, I can't say that. I'm not an expert on that. The expert will tell that was the real or not. No, in fact, see, the nationally, the Prime Minister has, directed to all the state to have to, to destroy and to, completely, the free, drug-free, to make the drug-free state. So whatever we have been taken is to destroy the property only. That has been assisted by the police department mainly, and other community also. They have giving us the information, and all accordingly we have been sending all kind of the forces along with the police department and destroying. And they have how much they have been destroying to the police. The DGP already mentioned in his speech, and I have already mentioned in my speech.
Nakalarom da thorom madu da saruk yakiba Manipur Police ki Director General of Police Rajiv Singh na phongdokibada Manipur Police Department asina khudongsa daba kaya mayok nakrabasu ngasi faubada laibak praja myam gi yaifanaba madi laibak asigi shanti raksa gi fibam hanjilaknaba kanna hona duna lakli haukiba chahi khara asida Police Department asina senkai thumkai tawba myoi kaya ama su phagat pangam khre makhatana lamdam asigi irang sing asi laksin bangamnaba anoba makhal gi technique amadi technology kaya season aduna thabak thorom kaya su paikatli haiki.
The new 3 criminal laws have also been implemented during the year: the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. The Honorable Chief Minister had announced the implementation of the 3 new criminal laws in an official function on 1st of July, and we have conducted various awareness campaigns on these new criminal laws to police personnel as well as public. As a capacity building, we have trained about 2,000 police officers on these laws. In the crime and criminal tracking network system also, there have been several important advancements like integration of new criminal laws, implementation of citizen portal, linking of integrated road accident database, and the interoperable criminal justice system, allowing instant sharing of data between police, courts, prisons, forensics, and prosecution departments.